Hi, welcome to Rime Time today. Today we're working on the op
word family or rhyme. And we're going to be
Alright.
singing the song Drip, Drop, Slip, Slop. And it's a very fast, quick song. But right now I'm wondering if we can think of words that rhyme with op. Let's see. Op,
mop,
mop.
top, shop, lop,
Just list
Cop.
some things. Top.
cop,
Cop.
I
Okay.
said cop.
Very nice.
Trop,
Drop. Okay.
lop, slop, sloppy,
Got lots of ones lots of ones here. Okay, so let's just read
copy,
copy.
pop,
Pop. All right, we're gonna just read the song first before we try to sing it because it is very fast, right?
very fast, like
So it says,
like this.
here we go. Yep, even faster. Drip.
Drop,
Hold on, we're gonna go slow. Drip, drop, drip, drop. On the rooftop. Eliana, can you move your finger, please? Hear the rain fall. Plop, plop, plop. Slip, slop, slip, slop. Grab the mop, mop. Won't that rainstorm ever stop? All right, so now this time we're going to read it again and we're going to find the op. Here we go. Drip, drop,
drip,
drip, drop. On the rooftop. Good. Hear the rain fall. Plop, plop, plop. Trina, we can't see. Remember? You gotta just move your arm. Slip, slop.
slip, slop.
So we got slop, slop. Grab the mop, mop. Good. Won't that rainstorm ever stop? Okay, so here it goes. We're gonna give this a try and it's really fast, so good luck to all of you. Here we go.
Drip,
Drip, drop on the rooftop, hear the rain fall, plop, 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 plop.
slip, slop, grab the mop, mop.
Won't that rainstorm ever stop? Ready?
Drop, drop,
On the rooftop, hear that rain fall, plop, 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 plop.
slip, slop, grab the mop, mop. Won't that rainstorm ever stop?
So silly.
I did it.
Okay,
I accomplished it.
I think we're gonna try that again. Because that was a little, that was
Maybe
silly,
try it again.
wasn't
That'll be a little sloppier.
Okay. Everybody at home, are your lips ready?
Here
we go. Shh, ready?
Drip, drop on the rooftop. Hear that rain fall, flop, 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 flop. Slip, slop, grab the mop, mop. Won't that rainstorm ever stop? We're better. One more time. We're better. Drip, on the rooftop. Hear that rain fall, plop, 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 plop. Slip, slop, grab the mop, mop. Won't that rainstorm ever stop? This time we were a little better than last time.
You
But I'm
guys,
still going to fall.
you two are horrible. I bet everybody at home was a little bit better. Okay. For next, we're gonna do our making words with the op. So get your letters ready, and join us in just a moment. Here we are. We're going to be making some words with the word family op. So if you actually have some magnetic letters, go ahead and pause this and get these letters out. If you don't have magnetic letters, you of course can just write the letters at the top of your piece of paper, so you know which letters you'll be using, and then you can just write them as we make it. So go ahead and get the B, F, L, C, M, H, T, R, D. You'll need 2 P's, and then S and O. Go ahead and get those. Okay, so let's start with saying our sounds of our letters. Here we go. Say them with me. B, F, L, K. And sometimes this you can say S, like city. M, H, T, Okay, let's get started with our first word. The first word is bop. My brother will bop me on the head. He's so silly. Bop. Bop. Now look at my P and my B. Do you see how the big bellies are lined up together? But my P goes in down into the basement. So make sure your letters are all lined up. Let's say it. B, op, bop. Take one letter away to make cop. Cop is a name of like a police officer. Let's say it. K, op, cop. Change one letter in cop to make mop. Let's hear that. Op. That's right. Bring that M down. Let's read it. Op. Mop. Okay. Let's bring the P down. And let's say it. Here we go. P, up, pop. Really good. All right. We're going to change one letter in pop to make top. The top of my head has a hat on it. Top. T. That's right. Bring the T down. T, up, top. Okay. I wonder if you know what two letters say ch, 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 like chin. And we're going to make chop. My dad had to chop the wood for the fire. Chop. That's the C and the H. Here we go. Let's say it. Ch, up, chop. Change one letter in chop to make crop. The crop was ready for harvest. Crop. You've got it. Bring that R down. Let's say the sounds. Crop. Crop. Change one letter in crop to make drop. Oh, I hope to not drop my favorite painting. Drop. Bring it down. Drop. 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 Bring the DR back up. We're going to start over, and this time we're going to need two letters to make flop. Flop. The fish will flop to the ground without water. Flop. That's right. Bring down your F and your L. Let's say that. Flop. Flop. How many sounds does flop have? Let's see. Flop. If I were to do it with my finger, it would go like this. Flop. Flop. It has 4 sounds and 4 letters. Awesome. But you know what? When we did chop, do you remember when we did chop? Do you remember when we did this one? Let's say the sounds. Ready? Ch, op. That only has 3 sounds, doesn't it? But there's 4 letters. So ch, op, chop. That's interesting, isn't it? Okay, so here we go. We just did flop. Now, here's flop. That's what you have. Now change one letter in flop to make plop. Plop. I had to plop into the pool to cool off. Plop. Let's say it. Pull, op, plop. Change one letter in plop to make prop. On the stage, they use a prop for the play. Prop. That's right. Bring that R down. Let's say it. Prop. Prop. We're going to start all over. Keep that up there. Now we're going to make one sound, but it's going to be with 2 letters. And that sound is shh, like shell or the quiet sound. Shh, shh, shh. Let's bring those 2 letters down. Where it is, my H. There it is. Let's see what that word is. Shh, op, shop. Let's use our fingers to see this, to say the sounds. Ready? Shh, op, shop. Wow, there's only 3 sounds at 4 letters, just like chop. Okay, change one letter in shop to make stop. Stop. There's a stop sign at the end of the street. Stop. Let's say it. Stop. stop, up, stop. There's 4 sounds and 4 letters. Okay, we're going to write those words down now. I have to take my letters off so I have enough room. You probably don't have to, but I do. If you're not doing it with letters, you're just going to write the words with us. And you probably have enough space there. If you're doing with the expo marker, make sure you're ready with your expo marker or your pencil. Here we go. We're going to start off easy. Bop. Up. Bop. Okay, there's your B. Make sure your B has a big belly in the front. Bop. The next word is cop. K. Up. Cop. Notice my P. He goes down into the basement. The next word is mop. Up. And remember, when I say down in the basement, we pretend this is the floor. And his leg goes down into the basement. Look at him. Mop. Okay, the next word is top. T. Up. Top. Let's check that P. Does he go down into the basement? Oh, he does. Uh-oh, if your P's up here, that's a capital P. Good job making a capital P, but this isn't a capital. This is coming at the end of our word, top. Okay, the next word is chop. Ch. Up. Chop. Here we go. The next word is crop. The farmer brings in or harvests his crop. Up. Crop. If you can spell crop, you can spell drop. We're just going to change the first letter. Drop. 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 The next word is flap. Tall F. Up. Flap. Look at my O. It's not as tall as my F and my L. Those are nice tall letters. Flap. The next word is plop. Pull up. Plop. Okay, next word we have is prop. Up. Prop. Mine doesn't look that good because it's towards the end there. Hopefully yours looks better than mine. Okay, we've got 2 more words. That's it. The next word is shop. Okay, oops, I'll get your 2 letters out. 2 letters to make shop. S-H-O-P, shop. And now we're just going to change 1 letter in shop to make stop. Stop. Nice tall T. Stop. Read our words with me. Ready? Let's start at the top. Bop. Cop. Mop. Top. Chop. Crop. Drop. Flop. Plop. Prop. Shop. And the last word, stop. All right. Awesome job. You did all the op words. And now, as a reader and a writer, whenever you hear the op, you know how to spell it and you know how to read it.